I'll go into my country. I promise you. Congo, I know who I am. I'll open him here. You can see.
That's what we call confidence. Chris, can you come al 'n rukkie saam? Ons ken hierdie storie and so on. We know the story. What's your thoughts? The South African flag against the Congo flag. Tell me your story.
Yeah, this oak is just another motherfucker that thinks he's on my level. And hey, hello. First of all, please get some respect. You're in my country fighting for my belt. And I'm gonna put you on the fucking floor. I'm telling you. I'm swinging with bad intentions.
Alright. We're waiting for that one. Gentlemen, we'll see you on the floor. Please move that way, Where's the bouncers? Give them a round of applause. That's what you call smack talk.